In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause a recording in Zoom during a meeting as the host or as a participant with permission. So, grab a seat and let's dive right in. First things first, to pause a recording, you must begin by starting the recording process. This can be done either by selecting Record to the Cloud or Record to this computer. Once you've initiated the recording, it's important to note that you'll see a set of recording controls pop up on your screen. These controls are your key to managing the recording during your meeting. While the meeting is actively being recorded, you'll notice a pause icon among these controls. Clicking on this pause button allows you to temporarily halt the recording. This feature can be particularly useful if there's a segment of the meeting that you prefer not to record, or perhaps when you just need a brief break before continuing with the session. Once you've paused the recording, you might wonder how to resume it. When you're ready to continue where you left off, all you need to do is click the record button again. In some cases, you may notice it is labeled as Resume Recording. This simple action will seamlessly pick up your recording from the exact point it was paused. For those of you who enjoy using keyboard shortcuts for efficiency, especially if you're using a desktop, there are some handy alternatives. If you're on a Windows system, you can simply press Alt+P to pause or resume the recording. Meanwhile, if you're operating on a Mac OS, you can achieve the same outcome by pressing Command+Shift+P. These shortcuts are especially useful if you're multitasking during a meeting or if you want to keep the control bar out of sight. By mastering these steps, you ensure that you have full control over what gets recorded during your meeting. Remember, whether you're pausing to ensure privacy or simply taking a brief intermission, having the ability to manage and resume recording smoothly is a valuable skill. It ensures your recordings are streamlined and contain only the necessary content. And there you have it. Now you know exactly how to pause a recording during a Zoom meeting. This newfound control will help you make more efficient use of Zoom's recording capabilities. Whether you're in a personal meeting or a professional setting, remember to make the most of this functionality. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit. See you in the next video.